To initiate the tool, press Control-Shift-H, and that will bring up this little search bar. When you first initiate it, it will have this example search in it, and then from there you can type in whatever you're searching for. The difference between this and a Control-F type thing would be that it doesn't start searching as you type, and the reason for that is because you can add in other operators. You can use regular expressions for the most part, and you can also use standard Boolean operators. So you could say JavaScript or Node.js or apps script, and then you could say and engineer or developer, and then you press enter and that loads it. And so now we have all of those keywords highlighted, and you'll notice that there's different colors here. Those colors are grouped, so it groups your OR statements together, and even if you don't use an OR, it basically groups all of the AND queries. So you could see, you could also put and applications, and this would be the third item. If you wanted, you can use wildcard, and that's a star. Additionally, you can use regular expressions, so you could use a period in place of the star if you wanted. So you can actually use regular expressions while you're using the OR operators at the same time. And then it saves your searches here. And you could add, let's see, let's move, well, this is fine here. Let's see, we'll do, let's take this out, we'll add this star back in, and we'll run this again. And now you'll see you have a few different searches saved here, and you can delete them by clicking here. And one other thing that it does is it looks at the domain. So if you're searching on a particular domain, it will sort your saved searches accordingly. And so if you're on LinkedIn right now and then you're over on some article, it will look at the domain, and when it first loads, it'll pull up the last search that you ran, but it'll also look to see what your last search on that domain is, and if you had a search on that domain, it will look for that and bring that up first. But again, you can just go in here and change it, and then press enter, and you'll be good to go. All right, that's it. I have not updated this application in about a year since I first released it, so I fixed a lot of bugs, changed the UI up a little bit. I'll probably be tweaking it a little bit more because now that it's a bit more functional, I'll probably be using it more myself. But anyway.